Hi everyone, welcome to ABC Interactive English, and I am Karen.
Hello everybody, I am Shane, your AI teacher.
You sound like a robot.
We're still continuing Make Art with AI. This is part 2.
That's right. So last time we learned that this AI program can help us create art, right?
That is right, Karen.
But I still want to see how it actually works.
Okay, so I have it here on my phone.
Okay.
And I'm
Can
going
you try
to,
one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I'm doing an orange cat.
An orange cat, okay.
Sitting on an elephant.
Sitting on an elephant, okay.
Drinking boba milk tea.
Drinking boba milk tea?
Yeah, and in the style of Van Gogh.
In the style of Van Gogh. That is very, very specific.
Generate.
Okay. How long do you have to wait?
It's pretty quick. Pretty quick. Here it goes.
And it gives you 4 different pictures,
Four
right?
different pictures, right. Here we go. Check it out.
Oh, wow! They're all very different.
They're all very different, and they're all unique and really cool.
That is really cool. So you can just choose one of your favorites from there, right?
Right, and then you could just go ahead and change, like if you think the style is a little bit not what you're looking for, then you can say, do it in the style of Picasso, or do it in the style of Monet.
Wow.
Something like that, yeah.
And then they can just change it for you right away.
Yeah, pretty cool, huh?
That is really, really cool. Okay, I have to download DALL-E 2.
Cool.
How about let's learn more about making art with AI?
Okay.
Frida and Jackson are using DALL-E 2.
Are you happy with these pictures? The koalas look pretty real.
No, I am not. The picture doesn't look like a Salvador Dali painting.
You can change that. You just need to change the words in the word box.
So today we are looking at part 2 of Make Art with AI.
You should do it in a robot voice.
Okay.
Make
so
art
today
with AI.
we are looking at part 2 of Make Art with AI. How is that?
That's much better. Thank
Okay.
you. Okay, so we have a conversation between 2 people,
Okay.
Frida and Jackson. So Frida and Jackson are using DALL-E 2.
Just like what we were doing.
Yes.
Okay, so I will be Frida and you will be Jackson.
Okay.
Okay, so I will start the dialogue.
Okay.
So Frida starts off by saying, are you happy with these pictures? The koalas look pretty real. Wow, so they're testing it out, right? And the pictures that they got, she noticed that the koalas looked really real. So what does that mean when I say that?
So if we say something is real, it means that it exists in the world, the physical world. You can touch it, smell it, see it, right? It's not just something that's in your mind or something you read in a story. It's real.
That's right.
Okay, and the opposite of real is
Fake.
fake, right?
That's right.
Okay, so this is real. For example, the necklace is made of real gold.
My necklace is made of real gold.
No,
Hey.
that's fake.
No, it's not. I swear it's real.
Sure.
It's expensive.
Sure.
Okay, so Jackson says,
No, I am not. Okay, so he doesn't like this picture, I guess. The picture doesn't look like a Salvador Dali painting.
oh, okay, so there's a famous artist called Salvador Dali. So maybe he asked AI to help him create picture in that style.
Maybe he did, or maybe he hasn't done that yet. Maybe that's what is in his mind.
What he wanted.
But he didn't actually tell Dolly to that part.
So Frida says, you can change that. You just need to change the words in the word box. Oh, you are right.
Maybe. Yeah, so maybe he just said the beginning part, but didn't say in the style of Salvador Dali.
That's right. But you can change it though. So change is our next vocabulary word, and that is a verb. So to change means to make or become different. So for example, you can say, I want to change my clothes.
Oh, okay. I think your clothes are beautiful. You don't need to change them.
I want to change into a beautiful dress.
Oh, okay. That sounds nice.
Okay, but do you know why this program is called Dolly 2?
Oh. I know it has something to do with Wall-E.
Wall-E is the robot.
The robot from the Pixar movie.
That's right, the really cute one. And
Salvador Dali?
That's right, the famous artist, Salvador Dali.
Dali.
So when you take the name Dali and Wall-E together, you get Dolly.
Oh, cute. So this is the second version of this.
2.0, right?
2.0. Okay. Why don't we take a little break and we'll see you here in a moment.
Okay, I did that. What do I do next?
Push generate and wait.
Oh, wow, these pictures are great. I really like them.
That's good. Now, which one do you want to download?
I can do that? Cool. I want to download this one.
Welcome back, everyone. So before the break, we were looking at this dialogue between Frida and Jackson. So Frida was asking Jackson if he was happy with the picture that he requested from the program.
He was not.
He was not, that's right, because he wanted it to be in the style of the famous artist Salvador Dali. But it didn't come out like that. So what did Frida say? Frida said that you just need to change your words in the word box.
Right.
And?
So, continuing. Okay, I did that. What do I do next?
Okay, so he already changed the
words. Okay. Frida says,
push generate and wait. Oh, okay. So remember, after you type in your words in the word box, you have to push generate and you have to wait, right? So push is our next vocabulary word, and that is a verb. So to push means to use physical pressure or force, and especially with your hands. You can push the door open. So for example, he pushed the door open with his hands.
or you can push something on the screen of your phone, right? Using pressure and push.
That's right.
But on a phone, you don't need to push hard. Just
exactly. You kind of just tap it.
boop, boop. Okay, so we have another vocabulary word, generate. Okay, so generate, basically it means like to make or to produce. Kind of like you bring this thing into being, into reality. So for example, we can say, we need new businesses to generate more jobs.
To make more jobs for everyone, right?
Right.
Okay. And also we have this word wait. And that is a verb. So to wait means to slow down or stop for someone or something. So for example, They waited for the little dog who couldn't run very fast. Or sometimes you might have to wait for your friend who cannot walk too fast, right?
Right. Or like here, oftentimes when you're using computers, you have to wait for them to generate something. You give it a command, you tell it what to do, and then...
But you don't have to wait for a long time, right?
Well, for some things you do, but actually DALL-E is pretty quick.
Exactly.
Okay, so Jackson says, oh, wow, these pictures are great. I really like them.
So as long as you put in the right words in the word box, you're, likely to get something that you would really like, right?
Yeah. It's kind of like you are like the composer of an orchestra. So, for example, you have a lot of people in the orchestra who play different musical instruments, right? But you're the one who has told them what to play. So even though they're playing the music, you created that music. So it's kind of like that here. You need to put down the right information, and then it will create it.
That's true, because you're thinking about these commands in your mind, right?
Yeah.
These are your ideas. So Frida says, that's good. Now, which one do you want to download? Wow! Which one do you want to download? So you can actually choose from these 4 pictures, one of them, and you can download the picture.
Yeah, that's really cool. You can download it, or you can even edit it.
What does it mean?
Edit something means you can change it. So if you like that picture, but there's one part of the picture you don't like, you can change just one part of the picture. You can edit it. And then when you're done, boop, you can save it to your device, to your smartphone or computer. Yeah.
This is actually very, very exciting.
It's
and
really
very,
cool.
It's very interesting.
So Jackson says, I can do that? Cool. I want to download this one.
So basically, I'm just trying to think here, you can have any kind of painting you want, and then you can download it, you can print it out, or maybe print it on a t-shirt, print it on the canvas, and put it on the wall in your home. Right?
Yeah, that's fun, right?
Wow, it does sound very, very cool. You can create any kind of art you like.
Awesome.
But we're not done yet
We're not
because
even done yet.
there is going to be part 3.
Yeah, so this is the end of part 2, and we'll see you in part 3.
See you guys next time.
Frida and Jackson are using DALL-E 2.
Are you happy with these pictures? The koalas look pretty real.
No, I am not. The picture doesn't look like a Salvador Dali painting.
You can change that. You just need to change the words in the word box.
Okay, I did that. What do I do next?
Push generate and wait.
Oh, wow, these pictures are great. I really like them.
That's good. Now, which one do you want to download?
I can do that? Cool. I want to download this one.
Hi, I'm Tina. 我们来看这一课的重点单字。第一个 real， 形容词，真实的、实际的。This is a real diamond, not a fake. 这是一个真钻石，不是假的。Fake 指的就是假货。下一个单字 change， 动词，更动、改变。I'm going to change my hairstyle. 我打算改变一下发型。第三个单字 push， 动词，按、推。He pushed the button to turn on the lights. 他按下按钮开灯。最后一个单字 wait， 动词，等待。I will wait for you at the entrance. 我会在门口等待你。Entrance 指的就是门口、入口。 接着我们来看重点文法。第一个 ，somebody is happy with 加名词，某人满意什么东西。Happy 在这里表示满意的、满足的，它的后面要先接 with， 再接受词。我们来看看这个例句。
What's up with your hair?
It looks cool, right? It took 5 hours, and I'm very happy with my haircut.
It looks like an animal is on your head.
Well, maybe you lack fashion sense.
Have you seen yourself?
下一个文法，我们来看看连缀动词 look 的用法。第一种用法 look 后面加上形容词，表示看起来怎么样。我们来看看这个例句。She looks happy in the family photo. 她在全家福照片中看起来很开心。第二种用法 look 加上 like 加上名词，表示看起来像。我们来看看这个例句。He looks like his father with that new haircut. 他因为那个新发型看起来很像他的父亲。最后一个文法 which 加上名词加上点点点，哪一个怎么样 ？which 在这里作为一个疑问形容词，表示哪一个。课文中的 one 是一个代名词，代指前面提到的 picture。我们来看看这个例句。Which book do you want to borrow from the library? 你想从图书馆借哪一本书？以上就是这一课的重点单词跟文法，我们下一课再见，拜拜。
One of my favorite things to do in Taiwan is to go places where I can learn about Aboriginal culture. It's so cool to see the history of the people who are indigenous to the lands of Taiwan. So today we're going to get to take a look at the Atayal people and a really cool park where you can learn all about their culture. So let's take a look.
The name Waha Marchi San Judong comes from the Atayal language. It means welcome to Judong for a chat and gathering. After 2 years of rebuilding, this park has become a center that combines many indigenous characteristics. There are 6 areas in the park. In these areas, you can experience the hunting culture of the indigenous people, buy specialties from them, carry out DIY handicraft activities, taste the indigenous cuisine, and enjoy indigenous music and dance. Atayal culture is the main focus of the park. The Atayal is one of the 2 major indigenous peoples in Hsinchu. Their national character is fierce and courageous, and they live by hunting and growing crops on burned-off mountain fields. You can find many cultural sites in the park, such as a bonfire, as in the traditional life of the Atayal. It conveys the cultural tradition of fire burning all year round. As for faith, Atayal people mainly believe in ancestral spirits. They build corridors for the eyes of the ancestors with bamboo weaving. Walking through these corridors is like being stared at by Atayal ancestors, thus people receive both warnings and blessings here. Visit this park to experience the culture and charm of the indigenous people.
Wow, the Atayal people sound pretty fierce. They're hunters and fighters. So learning about their culture, to me, was really interesting. I definitely think that going there to see some of the cultural things, learn about their religion, and to even try some food and just get a feel for some of the different Aboriginal groups in Taiwan. It sounds like a great day out, so I think you should go and check it out.